Hi, this is Thursday the 18th of February 2016. Just give you an update on Sid the Narrowboat. Just scanning you around the boat yard at the present time. We're getting into the sun now, where it'll be a bit bright for the camera. So this is Sid. So on this side of the boat, all the windows are in now. With this back one been done. Let's go around the back of the narrowboat, and on this side, this back window's in now, and under this green tarpaulin and underneath the blue tarpaulin are the next two windows going to be put in. The side's painted now. It just wants sanding down to a nice smooth finish so the gold film can go on top of it. And there's my flag, as you can see. Beautiful blue sky, not much wind today, but it'll probably pick up a bit later on. So I'll just give you a quick glance inside the narrowboat. So this is the cabin. This is where I keep my push bike, and that's the steering wheel. So just go down the steps now, and this would be the kitchen. As you can see now in the kitchen that the roof's on, and the sides are on. So I'll just stand back a bit so you can have another glance. So you can see all the whiteboards leaning against the side. These are the ones that have been painted yesterday. The paint's still damp, so I can't move them yet. So standing in the kitchen, looking down. So this area here, that's going to be where the green tarpaulin is, a window, and a bit further down here where the blue tarpaulin is outside, that's going to be where the second window is going to go in. Once them two windows in, then all the windows will be fixed in. The next thing to do is just replace the plastic window glass in the front to put it either perspex or glass. As you see, got all the boards being painted around the outside. Did them yesterday. This area here, the board's been cut for that, and it's that one there being dried. And on the roof here, the board for there, that's been cut, and there it is being dried there. So before I put the boards on, there were just 3mm plywood, and I painted them both sides with oil-based undercoat. When I went into the shop, I asked, should I put a primer on, then undercoat, then top paint? And they said, oh no, the undercoat would be fine for a primer. And I asked about then have you got a matte white oil-based coat? He said, no, we don't sell it, but why don't you could still use the undercoat as a matte white. As you can see, it is finished as a matte white, but because it's just an undercoat, I think in time, I could tell some of these sides have been on for about a month now, and they're actually going a bit yellow, and I don't really want a yellowy white, so I'm probably going to have to go and try and find somewhere, I don't know yet where, a matte white oil based undercoat. Just plus the undercoat what's on there now is like slightly soft, like dries quite hard, but there's still a softy powdery finish to it, so I think a proper purpose made last coat will be better for the narrowboat. So that's why I am with the narrowboat on the 18th of February 2016. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up on the video if you like it, and please watch the next episode to see how the narrowboat's got on.